So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the Microsoft Excel is not working perfectly on your laptop, or is it causing some issues? Is it even is it is crashing or something? Now, if in order to do that, you can see if I have the Microsoft Excel right there, and if it is causing any issue, all you need to do is to just simply go to the settings of your laptop, click on apps right there, then click on installed apps, and here you need to find the Microsoft Office right there. You can see it's right there. Now click on the three dot right next to it, click on modify. Right here, give the permission, and here you'll see this option of quick repair. Just simply select quick repair and click on repair, and even if it does not work, simply go for the online repair. It will definitely gonna solve your problem. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.